Downloading your account data from Instagram is a straightforward process that allows you to keep a record of your posts, messages, and other information. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device or go to the Instagram website on your computer. Log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Settings. On the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the list. On the website, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and choose Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy or Privacy and Security depending on your platform. Click on it to access the options related to your account's privacy and data. Step 4. Request Download. Find the option that says Download Data or Data Download. Click on it, and you will be prompted to enter the email address where you want to receive the download link. You may also need to enter your password for verification. Step 5. Check your email. After submitting your request, check your email inbox for a message from Instagram. This email will contain a link to download your data. Click the link and follow the instructions to download your data file. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your Instagram account data. Make sure to keep this information secure and private.